Web App Development Guide, a complete timeline. Investing in a web app development strategy is essential to help your business stand out from the crowd. The web app development market will grow from $160 billion in 2018 to $265 billion by 2023, at a CAGR of 10.1%. Key reasons why your business needs a web app: increased reach and visibility, improved customer engagement, enhanced efficiency and productivity, increased competitive advantage. Web application types and estimate time. As per complexity level: simple app development 2 to 4 months, average app development 4 to 6 months, complex app development 9+ months. Typical timeline for web app development: planning and discovery, design and development, testing and launch, maintenance and updates. Factors that impact the web app development timeline: complexity of an idea, size of the project, type of the project, programming language choice. Save time and budget during web app development. Plan your development process carefully. Use existing frameworks and libraries. Optimize your code. Keep your app simple. Hence, plan carefully, use existing resources, optimize your code, keep it simple, and test thoroughly to build a successful web app. You can contact ValueCoders web development team for your next project.